So choosing a life insurance policy as a small business owner, it really is a critical and an important decision, and really can play heavily into the overall success of the business and the transition of the business. But I think the main factors that owners need to consider when examining life insurance with respect to their small business, first and foremost, is what is the intended use of the life insurance? That may sound obvious, but it's really critically important. Insurance, for the sake of insurance, doesn't really mean anything. It doesn't mean it can't do anything, but the purpose is primary. So, for example, is the life insurance to be used to fund a buy-sell agreement, right? So that surviving owners can purchase the shares of a deceased owner. Is the life insurance to be used for the business, to keep the business as an ongoing concern? Or maybe we need capital in order to wind down, or we need capital to replace key people. Maybe the insurance is an employee benefit. Is it group life insurance that we're offering to employees, or is it a separate benefit for maybe some key employees or critical employees or owners that becomes a benefit to their being involved with the company? So of all of the factors, the most important factor is what is the intended use of the life insurance. But other things that owners need to consider are, well, what is the business cash flow? What are the demands on the capital of the business? If an owner of a business passes away, how critical is that owner to the success of the company? What jobs does that owner perform that need to be replaced? Is there going to be any downtime with the business where cash flow is meant to bridge the gap? Do we need cash in order to go hire a replacement, right? So what is the business cash flow and needs? And as a corollary to that, the replacement value of key employees. As someone who is vital to the ongoing operations of the business, understanding what it would take to replace that person on a temporary or permanent basis becomes really critical to making sure that a business doesn't go under. And to be honest, a very large percentage of businesses do go under when an owner passes away, because the owner was the salesperson, the owner was the marketing person, the owner was the deliverables person. And now we take that person out of the equation and we have no way to service existing clients or future clients or customers. So the replacement value of employee is critical. And then the last consideration truly is the age and the health of the people that need to be insured. Something that was taught to me a long time ago. This is a paraphrase of that, but yesterday you are less insurable than you are today, right? Insurance is a young person's game. So the older or more infirm someone is, the less likely they are to be able to be insured. Or beyond that, if they are able to be insured, the premiums may end up going up. So the age and health of the insured is another really important consideration for small business owners considering life insurance.